Hello, little explorers, gear up for an unforgettable journey with Peak Explorers, where kids will discover the amazing world of mountain and farm animals. From the fluffy sheep grazing in green pastures to the sure-footed mountain goats leaping across rocky cliffs, this adventure is packed with fun facts and exciting encounters. Little explorers will learn how animals adapt to different habitats, comparing the cozy barnyard life of cows and chickens. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. The African elephant is the largest species, with males weighing up to 14,000 pounds, 16,350 kilograms, and standing up to 13 feet. Cats have been domesticated for around 9,000 years, originally valued for hunting rodents in grain stores. Cats purr not only when happy, but also when in pain, anxious, or healing. Purring is believed to have a calming and possibly healing effect.
Leopards are highly adaptable and live in a wide range of environments, including savannas, forests, mountains, and even cities across Africa and Asia. Leopards are incredibly strong and can drag prey up to 3 times their own body weight into trees to keep it away from scavengers.
Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, capable of reaching speeds up to 60 to 70 miles per hour, 97 to 113 kilometers per hour in short bursts, typically over 200 to 300 meters. Cheetahs have long, slender bodies designed for speed, with a flexible spine. Wolves are the largest members of the dog family, Canidae. The gray wolf, Canis lupus, is the most well-known and widespread species. Wolves live and hunt in packs, which are tight family units typically made up of a breeding pair and their offspring. Lions are apex predators. As the top predators in their ecosystem, lions play a crucial role in controlling the populations of herbivores and maintaining the balance of the food chain in their habitats. Lions can run at speeds of up to 50 miles per hour. Donkeys have been domesticated for over 5,000 years, originally in North Africa, and have played a vital role in transport and farming. Donkeys are extremely intelligent and cautious, often mistaken as stubborn, but they just don't do anything that seems unsafe to them. Rabbits' teeth never stop growing. To keep them from getting too long, rabbits constantly gnaw on grass, bark, or hay. Rabbits are not rodents. They belong to a group called lagomorphs, which also includes hares and pikas. Rabbits communicate through body language. Camels have humps that store fat, not water. Contrary to popular belief, their humps hold fat reserves that they can convert into energy and water when food is scarce. Camels can survive for weeks without water. They can drink up to 40 gallons, 150 liters of water in one go. Bulls are adult male cattle, typically referred to as bulls when they have not been castrated. The females are called cows, and the young are calves. often used for breeding purposes in herds, as well as for working in traditional farming or ranching environments. Zebras are native to Africa, and there are three main species: the plains zebra, the Grevy zebra, and the mountain zebra. Each species has slightly different characteristics and habitats. Zebras are herbivores and primarily eat grasses, leaves, and bark. 64 kilometers per hour. Tiger is the biggest species in the cat family and can weigh up to 300 kilograms. It uses its strength and stealth to hunt large animals like deer and buffalo. Tiger has a unique pattern of black stripes on its orange coat. These stripes help it blend into tall grasses and forest shadows while hunting. Roosters are male chickens, and their primary role in the flock is to protect hens and help fertilize eggs. The female counterpart is called a hen, and a baby chicken is known as a chick. Roosters are known for their crowing. They typically crow at dawn, but can crow at any time of the day. Monkeys communicate with each other using vocalizations, facial expressions, and body language. Some species, like howler monkeys, have loud calls that can be heard from miles away. Monkeys are omnivores, which means they eat a wide variety of food. Their diet can include fruits, nuts, seeds, insects, and small animals. Hamsters have expandable cheek pouches that they use to carry food and nesting material. They can stuff food all the way back to their shoulders. Hamsters have poor eyesight, but a strong sense of smell and excellent hearing, which helps them navigate. Ducks are omnivores, meaning they eat a variety of foods, including plants, insects, small fish, and algae. They often forage in ponds, lakes, and rivers for food. Ducks have waterproof feathers, thanks to a special oil gland near their tails. Ducks have excellent vision. Snakes are legless reptiles, belonging to the suborder serpents. They evolved from lizard-like ancestors that lost their legs over millions of years. Snakes use their tongues to smell. Their forked tongue picks up chemicals in the air and brings them to the Jacobson's organ in the roof of their mouth. Chickens are the closest living relatives to the Tyrannosaurus rex, shared ancestry from theropod dinosaurs. Chickens can recognize over 100 faces, human and chicken, solve puzzles, and learn from observation. Chickens establish strict social hierarchies. Pandas are native to the mountain ranges in central China, where they live in temperate forests with a lot of bamboo. Pandas are generally solitary animals. Each adult panda has its own home range, and they only come together during mating season. Pandas have a very short breeding season. Mountain goats are renowned for their exceptional climbing skills, navigating steep, rocky slopes with ease. Their muscular forelimbs and specialized hooves aid in this agility. Mountain goats are herbivores, feeding on a variety of plants, including grasses, herbs, sedges, ferns, mosses, lichens, and twigs and leaves from low-growing shrubs and conifers. Dogs have been companions to humans for over 15,000 years, originally domesticated from wolves, and have served various roles such as hunters, protectors, and companions. A dog's hearing is far better than a human's. They can hear sounds in the range of 40 Hz to 60 kHz, compared to a human's range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Dogs have sweat glands only in their paws. To cool down, they primarily rely on panting and drinking water. Horses have been domesticated for over 5,000 years, originally used for transportation, farming, and warfare. Horses communicate using body language, ear position, tail movement, and vocalizations like neighs, snorts, and whinnies. Horses have excellent memories, especially for people and places. They can remember kind or unkind treatment for years. Giraffes are the tallest land animals in the world. Adult males can reach up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters tall, while females are typically a bit shorter, around 14 feet, 4.3 meters tall. They chew their food, swallow it, and later regurgitate it to chew it again, helping to digest tough plant material. Moose are the largest species of deer. Adult males, called bulls, can weigh up to 1,500 pounds, 700 kilograms, and stand over 6 feet, 1.8 meters tall at the shoulder. Moose are excellent swimmers. They can swim for several miles at a time and even dive up to 20 feet, 6 meters, underwater to reach aquatic plants. Sheep are social animals that live in flocks and form strong bonds with each other. They often become stressed or anxious when separated from their group. Sheep produce wool, a natural fiber that keeps them warm and is used by humans for clothing. One sheep can produce several kilograms of wool each year. Reindeer are excellent migrators. They are known for their incredible long-distance migrations. Some herds travel over 2,000 miles, 200 kilometers, every year, the longest migration of any land mammal. Reindeer are social animals. They typically live in herds that can range from small family groups to massive herds of thousands of individuals, especially during migrations. Reindeer have a rich cultural significance. In folklore, especially around Christmas, the image of a reindeer pulling Santa's sleigh is widespread. Or watch in awe as a golden eagle soars above snowy peaks. Designed to spark curiosity, Peak Explorers blends education and entertainment, teaching kids about animal behaviors, diets, and habitats through playful storytelling and engaging activities. Bye-bye, little explorers.